Hey, so how's your summer going? I hope you managed to catch some rays, soak up the sun, but you don't catch the sun. By the way, what do you do to beat the heat during the dog summer days? And when it's scorching, a quick dip can be very helpful. What do you think? Okay, let's make hay while the sun shines and discuss this and many other interesting phrases in today's class. Alright, let's dive in at once. First, let's speak about the weather. And the place where I live, it's very hot in summer, and in July it's extremely hot. And in order to say that it is very hot, we can use such phrases as it is boiling hot or it is scorching. It is a real scorcher. It's sweltering when it's hot with high humidity. It's stifling hot when it's extremely hot with lack of fresh air. Or it is baking, it's like an oven outside. It's so baking, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not leaving my home. And these super hot and sultry days of summer can be also called dog days of summer. It's so scorching, really dog days of summer. People love lounging on the beach during the dog days of summer. And the best idea during the dog days of summer is to grab your swimsuit, parasol, hat, sunglasses and go to the beach to soak up the sun. To soak up the sun means to lie or sit in the sun, to sunbathe, to take in the sunshine. But of course, if you want to soak up the sun, you need to apply or put on your sunscreen. We can also say to catch some rays, and it also means to sunbathe, to suntan, in other words, to spend some time in sunlight. After these rainy days, it's so nice to catch some rays on the beach. But don't forget to rub in your sunscreen, otherwise you can catch the sun. And this phrase, catch the sun, is not that positive because it means to get a sunburn and your skin becomes red or fiercely brown. And it hurts. He caught the sun, now he's red and his shoulders hurt. Don't lie in the sun so much, you'll catch the sun. Another phrase that means to get sunburn is to be burnt to a crisp. If you lie on the beach without your sunscreen and parasol, you'll be burned to a crisp. A parasol, or we can also call it a beach umbrella. And of course, when it's boiling hot and it's like an oven outside, we need to try and find a way how to beat the heat. In other words, how to find a way of staying cool and comfortable when it's stifling hot. It's stifling here. Turn on the conditioner and it will beat the heat. Or a quick dip can help you to beat the heat. A quick dip, that's when people jump into the pool or into the sea and spend there a short period of time. We can also say to go for a dip. I wish I had my swimsuit so that I could go for a dip. And when it's bright outside, you can have the sun in your eyes, like me now. Oh, I really have the sun in my eyes. And of course, we need to shield our eyes and put on sunglasses, or they're also called shades. Everything is sun-drenched. Don't drive without glasses. Put on your glasses, otherwise you'll have the sun in your eyes and you won't see the road. And now let's take some idioms to speak about life in total. And the first one is, of course, place in the sun. And place in the sun, that's the position that provides you with wealth and happiness that you've been trying to achieve for a long time. She's been working so hard. Finally, she's got her place in the sun. And every hard-working person will get his place in the sun, come rain or shine. Come rain or shine, it means no matter what, neither rain nor sunshine can impede it, can be an obstacle. The competition is going to be tomorrow. Come rain or shine. She does jogging every morning. Come rain or shine. And also, in order to find your place in the sun, it's very important to make hay while the sun shines. In other words, to not waste time and take advantage of an opportunity as soon as it arises. To use the possibilities and get what you want. We have 2 more days, so let's make hay while the sun shines and finally prepare for the exam. She is responsible for that report and she needs to make hay while the sun shines. In other words, not lose the opportunity and show what she can do at the highest level. And the last phrase for today is to walk on sunshine. Of course, there are many phrases, but I decided to take only the positive ones. And this one is the most positive, I think. And it means to be in a state of euphoria, to be very delighted and happy, thrilled, overjoyed, exhilarated. They are walking on sunshine when they are together. She's in love and she's walking on sunshine. He's like a ray of sunshine for her. By the way, that's another phrase, a ray of sunshine. And we can talk about a person that he's a ray of sunshine when he really makes us happy and makes us thrilled. And I already discussed that phrase in my other video about positive spring idioms. So please go and check this video as well. And I'm sure it will brighten up your day. That's it for now. Enjoy your summer, soak up the sun, catch the rays, and don't get burnt to a crisp. But before you go for a dip, and if you liked the video, please give the thumbs up, subscribe, and leave your comment. Because your support brightens up my days. And see you next time, come rain or shine.